As you can see right, guys, it's just 3 days, 11 hours that is left. So please take this video with urgency and start fast. Start now, because after these 3 days, if you don't do this turn transaction, you might not be eligible for the airdrop. So please, you guys don't miss out on this airdrop. Do it. Act fast now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we can get the Rocky Rabbit tax done, because according to Rocky Rabbit, we have about 3 days. They posted something like 2 days ago. I'm sorry it's a little bit late, but we still have time to get it done. Right, we have about 3 days left to qualify for the airdrop. Now September 1, final chance to get free RBTC. That's Rocky Rabbit. So I think they are launching on September 21, which is very soon, just a few days from now. Now, if you look down here, see Rocky Rabbit airdrop, 1 out of 3. Now, these are some things, some tasks they say we should do to qualify for the airdrop. So, the first one is connect your wallet. Now, I'm already connected. And to do that is very easy. If you have your Tongue Keeper, if you don't have Tongue Keeper, this is Tongue Keeper. This is it. It's an app. So, you just create an account with them. Then, you click on it right here. Can connect wallet. It will take you to Tongue Keeper, so you just connect the wallet. It's easy. Then second one is subscribe to the channel. That one is easy. I've already done that one too. Now this one that says make a turn transaction. So now that's what I'll show you guys how to do right now. So I have 2 out of 3. So if I complete this third turn transaction, then that means I qualify for the airdrop. If you read here, it says to qualify for the RBTC airdrop, please ensure you complete all 3 required tasks. These tasks help verify genuine users. Rocky Rabbit will cover network fees, which will be credited to your wallet during the airdrop withdrawal. Users who finish these tasks earliest will be prioritized when the airdrop launches. So, according to them, they said the amount you use, they will return it back, and they said it's 0.5 ton. That's about $3, $3 worth of ton. So they said after the airdrop, they will refund it back according to what they said here. They said it will be credited to your wallet during the airdrop. So let me show you how we can make that turn transaction. So if you go to my own turn now, I don't have up to $3 in my turn now. So if I had $3 worth of turn here, I will just make the transaction to be easy. But for me that I don't have the $3, and for most people that don't know how to get turn into your wallet, yeah, I just have $0.1 worth of turn. Right. So how do we send ton to this wallet? I'm going to show you everything right now. So first of all, if you have a Bybit account, go to your Bybit. Bybit is easy to just download, create an account, verify your account. Now I have $3.7 of dogs here. So I want to sell my dogs. If I come here, I have dogs, $3.5. Now if I want to sell it, I'll go back, I'll come to market. I come to market, I'll search for dogs. DOGS. Dogs USDT. I click on it. Dogs already down now, sir, but I need to sell it. I need to make that transaction. So I'll come over. It's on buy right now. So I'll go to sell. Then I will increase my quantity. I'll sell everything. $3.6 right here. So I have 3,618 dogs. Then $3. So if I sell dogs, before I sell itself, to make it faster, I'll change this limit right here. I'll change it to market so that it doesn't waste time. So I just sell it immediately with the market price. So sell dogs. I've sold it. Click on sell. So successful. Now I have USDT now. Now if I want to use that USDT now to buy ton. So I'll go back to market. I'll search for ton. TON. 10 USDT. This is right here. I click on it. Then I come to buy. Then I increase it. So I'm using my $3.6 to buy ton now. So I click on buy ton. So I buy the ton. So now I've bought my ton. Now I want to now withdraw my ton to my Tongue Keeper. To do that, I'll come to my Tongue Keeper here. I'll click on receive. Then I copy my address. So I've copied my ton address here on my Tongue Keeper. Right, now to send it to this place. I'll go back to Bybit. I've bought my ton here. First of all, you can see this is in unified trading. You can't withdraw if your turn is in unified trading. It has to be in funding. It has to be in funding. Now, to do that, you just convert or transfer to from unified trading to funding. And to do that, you just see transfer up here. Click on transfer. So I'm transferring ton from unified trading to funding. So I click on this arrow here because it's funding to unified trading. So I'm swapping it from unified trading to funding. Then I change BTC to ton. So this ton here. Then I enter max amount. Can you see? So I'm sending it from trading to funding so that I can withdraw it. Because if it's in trading, I can't withdraw it in trading. That's a mistake many people make all the time. So now that it's in funding, if you notice it was in trading before, now it's in funding. Now if I go to withdraw, I search, see, turn has come up. So I click on turn. I know I already copied my wallet address, so I just paste it here where it shows address. Input or press your wallet address basically. So I paste my address here. Network. So I'm choosing ton. It's right here. The fee is $0.5, 0.1 ton. So make sure you're withdrawing enough tons so that you don't withdraw multiple times. Right. Then memo. This one is optional. So I don't need, so I can just leave it there. Then ton amount and the amount max. So I'll click on max because I'm withdrawing everything. Then I withdraw. So I'm confirming now. So now to withdraw, they will ask me for some codes. So I'll show you, I'll just get the code now and confirm it. So after I copy from my authenticator and my Gmail, I paste my codes and I confirm. So successful withdraw application submitted. So under 1 minute, max under 1 minute, my turn will reflect right here on my turn keeper. So guys, as you can see, about just 1 minute, I've already gotten my turn has reflected here. So I have my $3 I've gotten here. Now let's go and make the transaction. So go back to Telegram to Rocky Rabbit. So I have to relaunch my Rocky Rabbit again. So guys, always have turn in your turn keeper because most of these turn Telegram project, most of them need turn, not all of them. So I click on this RBTC airdrop. Now to make a turn transaction, I click on start. As you can see right guys, it's just 3 days, 11 hours that is left. So please take this video with urgency and start fast, start now. Because after these 3 days, if you don't do this turn transaction, you might not be eligible for the airdrop. So please, you guys don't miss out on this airdrop. Do it, act fast now. So I click on start. Oh, okay, I think I need to click on this manual first. So show address. So as you can see here, make a turn transaction. So I have to send it to this address. Important, if you send less than 0.5 ton, you won't be eligible. You must resend the correct amount. So okay, I click on make a turn transaction and it's taking me to my turn keeper. Yeah, so I think it's even better that way. So to do it directly. Yes, good, beautiful. So send 0.5 ton network fee $0.001. So I'm sliding to confirm. You can see right there, slide to confirm. So I hope you guys shit. Request timeout, please try again. I think they're having a lot of network issues. Just make sure you keep trying. I'm going to try it again now until it works. So I'll click on make a turn transaction here. Send. Done. Beautiful. So that is it. Basically, that you send it manually or it does it automatically. Just make sure you get it done. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it's sent now. I've waited for about 5 minutes or so. So it's sent now, and they have deducted it from my wallet. So if I go back to Telegram, uh, so you can see here, congratulations, you are eligible to receive RAB Bitcoin. RAB Bitcoin airdrop. Follow the channel still updated. So I've been eligible, as you can see, guys. So guys, please, this is not a financial advice, but if you can, please get that 0.5 ton. See, you can see here eligible. So get the 0.5 ton and get your eligibility for the airdrop. And there are just few more days. You can still, I can see I'm still upgrading. I'm seeing Vanguard tournament. So level up, do the best you can, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. You can join my WhatsApp group. The link will be in the description. There, I'm going to drop updates there. I've dropped this update there before I can even find time to create videos. So if you want fast update, then quickly join my WhatsApp group. It's free. Just join and stay updated. Have a nice day.